headed to LAX to catch our flight to Cancun. Woo, let's go. We flew in on Southwest Airlines. We have points and the companion pass, so our flights were essentially free. So then we headed over to the bag drop to see how much it weighed. And yes, 46 pounds. Oh, thank goodness. If you've ever been there before where you've overpacked and had to take everything out of the suitcase to try to make things work, it's horrible. Hey everybody, we're at LAX. We're waiting to board our flight. First we're heading to Houston, and then from there we'll be going to Cancun. Woo! We just had a burger and fries, or burgers and fries at Papa's Burger, and they were humongous. We're very full, but they were good. Our flight didn't get in till 9 p.m., so maybe this is the reason why, but there were not nearly as many timeshare sharks to be found. And if you know exactly what I'm talking about. So we made it outside to our transportation, and they were there waiting for us, ready for the hour drive to our hotel, the Catalonia Royal Tulum. Our ride was very uneventful, but it was long and we were so tired, and it did start raining on the way. So we just got here a little while ago, maybe an hour ago, and I already want to go home. It's raining hard and the thunder's scaring me. I'm sure it'll be better tomorrow. I came out on the balcony to see if I could get some better audio, maybe even some lightning visuals, so we'll see what happens. Did you see the lightning? It struck. Waiting for the thunder. Okay, so maybe I was being just a little dramatic, but come on, we don't get thunder and lightning like that in the Los Angeles area. But sure enough, as I thought, the weather cleared up by the morning and it was just absolutely gorgeous. So we got to go check out the resort a little bit. We came to breakfast and had some delicious chilaquiles.
Nice temperature.
Nice temperature, right? I mean, like we were saying when we first got it, it's like you feel like a little cool, but it's so hot outside. It feels really good. I can't complain.
Not a lot of people.
No, it's like perfect. We kind of feel like we have this whole little area just to ourselves. I mean, it's probably because of the pandemic that there are not a whole lot of people here to begin with, but I mean, we found chairs right away at the pool, shade. It was no problem at all. And yeah, this is just very refreshing. The beach is beautiful. Can't really complain. Service has been great. People are very nice.
Yep.
And sitting by the pool, we were out there for like less than 5 minutes. Somebody came to take our drink orders. So yeah, so far so good.
Boom.
This was our first time to this resort, and so I wasn't sure what to expect of the food. But we had a lot of great meals here. I was pleasantly surprised by the food quality and choices. Anyway, here's some food porn for you to enjoy. I wanted to do a few things while we were in town. I wanted to swim with the turtles in Acuman, I wanted to see some cenotes, and I also wanted to visit the town of Tulum. So we were able to do all of those things, and I do have another video that goes into more detail on them. Now back to the resort. We spent a lot of time just hanging by the pool and by the beach. It was so relaxing. We had a really good time. If you want to see more on this particular resort, we did a complete resort tour, and I'll link the video here. After an amazing 7 nights, it was time to catch a last sunrise, have a last breakfast, chilaquiles, of course, and then go say goodbye to some of the people that we had met while we were there. So these are just a couple of the people that we met. The workers there were just outstanding, great service. I can't compliment them enough. And make sure that you guys tip while you are there. They'll really appreciate it. And it was time to head off to the airport for our trip back to Los Angeles. Until next time, Cancun.